Lunges is a great exercise that not only works on lower body strength, but also balance and coordination. When we're doing lunges, we're basically walking forward with our knees on the ground. So we take a step forward. We want to make sure that we step forward far enough so that our back knee can be the focus of the movement. Our front knee is not the focus. All we're doing once we step forward is taking our back knee and dropping straight to the ground. You do not need to lean into it. This front leg, your shin should be fairly vertical, most of your weight in your heel. You should be able to do lunges with your toes off of the ground. When you're doing them right, all that weight is in the heel. You're not pushing off your toes. A lot of times you see people like this when they're pushing with their heel off the ground, you're not getting the activation. When your heel is on the ground, that pressure is going all the way through the back side of your leg into your butt and hamstrings. That's what we're trying to develop, all right? So step forward. When you're down here, there should be enough space between your heel and your knee that your another foot would go in there. It's about the same distance as your other foot, okay? So you know you're not too close and you're not too far, all right? The last thing to think about when you're doing lunges is you don't run a tightrope, okay? Oftentimes we see people come back across when they step, so now they're in line with themselves and they have no balance, okay? Wherever you start in what we call our jumping stance or our basic stance, keep your feet in that position as you come forward. The distance should not change between each step. Okay, still the same distance in between. Okay, a couple tips on how to do lunges and get the most out of them.